Appleton, Wisconsin. Today's video is brought to you by Bright Sellers. Stick around to get $50 off your first 6-bottle box. Why is there never anything sharp near me when I need it to be? Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we are continuing on with our advent calendar series with the Bath & Body Works advent calendar for 2022. I'm actually really excited for some reason. Last year's advent calendar wasn't that fantastic. It had nothing holiday themed in it. I think it barely had any value, but for some reason I'm really excited about this one. Maybe I'm just still hyped up and full of hope and joy because the last advent calendar that we did was actually good. The Look Fantastic advent calendar was it was actually pretty decent, which is more than I can say for several advent calendars that we've done this season. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. I think it looks really cute on the outside. I like the packaging. It looks all adorable. There's a little red ribbon around it. There's something kind of old school Christmas about it that I really like. So I'm actually excited to get on into this, but let me go ahead and tell you guys how much I paid for it and hopefully how much it's supposed to be worth. That seems like a suspiciously low price. Ah, perfect. So apparently when I purchased it, it was $90, right? Because it wasn't on sale. But at some point it dropped from 90 down to 35. So I'm gonna figure out in a second here that I could be confused about this, and then I'm gonna confirm later on in the video that I am indeed confused about this. The calendar was never $90. It didn't cost $90. It's worth $90. I paid 50 something for it. Tater is going absolutely ham today. So you guys hear some strange noises? What are you barking at, buddy? Strange noises in the background. It's Tater flipping out. Oh, okay. So this article is saying that the calendar sold for $55, but it's worth $90. This is very confusing. I don't know. This one says $85. How much is this? How much? Listen, y'all, I have absolutely no idea. I'm very confused. Either I paid $90 for it and it's worth some unknown amount, or I paid 50 something dollars for it and it's worth $90, but now it was $35. I don't know. It's a calendar. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, convenient. It's like a little stretchy red bow. I'm keeping that. I think this is adorable. I think they've done a very good job. It feels so just old school Christmas to me. I think it is super, super cute. Is that nutrition packs? No, it's not. Okay, for a second I was like, did they put snacks in here? Because that looks like a nutrition label. With this much Christmas themed stuff going on the outside of the box, I really, really hope that the products on the inside are also Christmas holiday themed, because last year they weren't at all, and I thought that was weird. Okay, number 1 down here, starting off with this cute little gingerbread man behind a couch. Eyelash pliers. I'm about to wrestle it. I smell gingerbread. Okay, so the first thing we have here is a little base for a wallflower. I'm assuming that means we're going to have a wallflower scent inside of the calendar. These little thingies just plug into the wall and then you put your scent on and then it just disperses throughout the room, so it's like an air freshener. Come on, Dana, you can do it. I know it's a scary cardboard box. Such a good boy. Day number 2 is up next here. I kind of like this little device for opening advent calendars. It makes me feel official for some reason. Why do they make them like this? Day number 2 here, we have the scent to go with our wallflower. I like that it's in day number 2. We don't have to search the whole advent calendar for it, and I'm very excited because the first thing with fragrance in here is an actual holiday fragrance. This is in the scent 'Tis the Season. It is one of the holiday favorite fragrances. I have no idea what this smells like. I typically don't really buy a ton of stuff from Bath & Body Works. I don't really buy their candles or their perfumes or body lotions, any of that kind of stuff. But for some reason, I have a very strong connection with Bath & Body Works and the holidays. I think it has something to do with growing up in the late 90s, early 2000s. Bath & Body Works was it in the early 2000s. And if you had to buy a Christmas gift for anybody, you went to Bath & Body Works. A 2-for-1 lotion for Christmas. Most of my experience with Bath & Body Works was back in the cucumber melon days. And since then, oh, it opens the wrong direction. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Since then, I really don't purchase a ton from Bath & Body Works, but I still have that strong relationship between Bath & Body Works and Christmas. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't really know what to expect. I should have guessed from the color of this is going to be a spicy apple scent. I'm getting a lot of cinnamon apple. I feel maybe there's also a little bit of cranberry or something in there. There is not cranberry in there. It is rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood made with natural essential oils. It does say that it provides weeks and weeks, not just 1 week, multiple weeks of effortless fragrance. And yeah, I think it does smell really good. I like a nice cinnamony apple scent, and it does very much so. Oh, wrong direction. That's right. Remind me of the holiday season. So I think this is nice. I'm really excited that we actually have a holiday scent in here. I'm hoping the rest of it kind of follows suit. Really quick before we move on, I would love to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Bright Sellers. I have been working with Bright Sellers for a while now, and they are truly one of my favorite sponsors to work with. I know they're my mom's favorite, that's for sure. Aren't they, Mom? Not only are they great to work with, but I have been enjoying Bright Sellers wine for going on 2 years now, and I still get so excited every time I receive a box. I love that they offer a way to try wines you might have never been able to try before, while also catering to your taste and preferences. Once you take their quick 7-question quiz, Bright Cellars will match you with wines from all over the world that are curated to your taste palette. Bright Cellars is super convenient because they send the wines directly to you, so you don't have to worry about going to the store and searching the aisle for a new wine that you might not like only to pick one based off the label because it's pretty. You know, not speaking from personal experience or anything. Each box comes with really cute and useful wine education cards that outlines tasting notes, suggested pairings, and the wine's origin. It's really fun to learn about wines that you are trying, and you can impress your family and friends with all your wine knowledge. Bright Cellars also offers a concierge team to answer any questions that you might have, and your matches just keep getting better and better with every delivery as you rate your wines. Today I'm trying Talimon Sauvignon Blanc from southeastern Australia. This light-bodied white wine has notes of pineapple, kiwi, peach, and lime, which give it a fruity taste with a hint of citrus, and it's really light and refreshing. I just want to say a big thank you to Bright Cellars for giving my followers a limited time offer of $50 off their first 6-bottle box. If you would like to try out Bright Cellars yourself, or maybe even give somebody a gift for the holiday season, go ahead and click the link below to get started. Alrighty, moving on here to day number 3. Oh, just a cute little mouse. I think what it is, it reminds me of have you guys ever seen chefs at a super fancy restaurant on the TV put food on a little tiny plate with tweezers? Placing individual tiny little sprigs of herbs on the smallest dollop of mashed potatoes you've ever seen. That's what this is reminding me of. I don't know why, stabbing this into an advent calendar and ripping a door open, it's giving me that same feeling, but it is. Oh my goodness gracious, it's something else holiday themed. The next thing we have here is a shower gel. This is the Vanilla Bean Noel shower gel. Why is it green and looks like a bottle of aloe vera if it's in the scent vanilla? Because of the holidays, of course, and I stand by it. Go for it. I love me a tacky red and green Christmas. It smells like vanilla. It is actually a nice vanilla scent, the vanilla bean is actually kind of coming through, the bean itself. It doesn't smell like too overly icky sweet vanilla or anything. I think it smells pretty good. Oh, there's also a little mouse dangling from the chandelier. How adorable. Ooh, we are continuing on with the holiday theme. I'm just gonna go ahead and assume the rest of this is holiday scented, and I'm so very happy about that. Next thing we have in here is a Vella Vanilla. You know how many times I've recorded myself saying novella because for some reason I can't compute Vanilla Bean Noel. It just turns out novella. Vanilla Bean Noel Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. So we have the same scent in a body lotion. This one's got a cute little bear just standing on his hind legs like people. Oh, and there's the baby. This guy's a little baby with him. How cute. Well, okay, so this one smells, pretty much the same as the last one because it's the same scent, but it has just a little bit more of a rich scent to it, I guess since it's a body lotion. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Honestly, we make a vanilla bean candle at the store and it smells almost exactly like it, the same fragrance. It also feels pretty good on the hands, so yeah, we're doing pretty good, Bath & Body Works. Day number 5 is up next. What do you know? Something else in the scent Vanilla Bean Noel. You know, now that I'm kind of thinking about it, almost said it again, novella. Vanilla Bean Noel, it's just the scent of vanilla. So it's not exactly fully holiday scented, but they added Noel at the end and made everything green. So now I'm it's holiday. Next up here, we have a fine fragrance mist. This is 2.5 fluid ounces of the fragrance mist. It also says that it's made with 50% recycled plastic, so that's good. It's also not tested on animals and it's vegan. I think a lot of these things have said, yeah, not tested on animals and vegan. Dermatologist tested, not tested on animals, so that's really good. Let's see this fine fragrance mist in action. I wasn't even anywhere near it. Yeah, that's Vanilla Bean. It's a really wide berth of mist. You definitely can don't breathe in, don't breathe in. You gotta waft the air a little bit before you breathe in. Tater, no, back up, buddy, you'll get the sneezes. Tater is very sensitive to scent, so if I spray hairspray or anything and he's in the bathroom, it comes near the bathroom as I'm spraying it, he'll start sneezing. He's got allergies. Poor little buddy has to actually get an allergy shot every month because he scratches so bad because he's allergic to just stuff, which I totally understand. I'm allergic to almost everything. I did one of those super fun allergy tests when I was younger and they're like, yeah, you're allergic to just everything. So anywho, moving on here to day number 6. Oh, winter candy apple. I've never smelled it before. I've not even one time have I ever smelled winter candy apple, but I always wanted to, yes. If you guys thought I was gonna do a holiday Bath & Body Works advent calendar without mentioning the candle lady at least one time, you're incorrect.
I've been searching for the winter candy apple in
Appleton, Wisconsin. It is a nice scent. I'm sure it smells lovely in the candle as well. Do I think it's worth going on a big YouTube rant over? Maybe not. Is it worth getting upset at a Bath & Body Works employee, Jen from Appleton? Most likely not. Alrighty, day number 7 is up next here. Oh boy, we're just keeping it going with the winter candy apple. The next thing we have here is one of the little antibacterial hand gels. They don't call these hand sanitizers? Antibacterial hand gel. 71% alcohol. Is it maybe not high enough to be considered a hand sanitizer? I don't know. Of course, it has a very similar smell to the hand lotion. It does have a bit more of an alcohol scent to it since it's 71% alcohol. So it does smell a little bit more astringent than the hand lotion. I personally, you guys know like the little holders that you can put these in? They had some for Halloween that were absolutely adorable. As standard, they don't go to Bath & Body Works, but I was walking past and I was like, that's Halloween stuff. So I walked in and they had just the cutest little hand sanitizer holders. They had like ghosts and bats and like they would light up and make noises. And I don't even own one of these hand sanitizers. Well, now I do. But at that time, I didn't own one of the hand sanitizers. I wanted to buy one so bad just so I could put it in an adorable little holder. I'm sure they have really cute ones for Christmas too. Alrighty, day number 8 is over here. Did we get a cute little holder? Okay, well, I mean, this one is a little bit more basic than the ones that I saw at the store, but it's glittery. It's a shiny little holder. So I just have kind of a stretchy silicone hand sanitizer holder. I would have loved if this was like a cute Christmas tree or like a little like snowman, just something a little bit more like holiday themed, but I mean, this is okay. And it was only $1.50. So like this was $1.95 and this was $1.50, so we're getting off pretty cheap here for 2 days, Bath & Body Works. I'm not gonna lie. So we're looking at like, what's that math? Let's just call it $3.50 for 2 days in this 12-day advent calendar. That's getting off just a little bit inexpensive there, Bath & Body Works, especially if I paid $90 for this advent calendar, but I truly and honestly do not know how much I paid for it. I'm hoping it was more like $50. That makes more sense. Get in there. It's like trying to shove a sausage back into its skin. Just make it a little bit more convenient so you can have your hand sanitizer, or I'm sorry, your antibacterial hand gel dangling like on your purse or your backpack or something so you don't have to rifle around through it. But I do wish it was just one of the cuter ones. Like a little Santa, that would have been adorable. Ooh, okay, day number 9 over here is in a fairly large door, so I'm hoping it might be something full size. Because I'm assuming nothing that we have received so far. Well, I guess the wallflower is technically full size and the hand sanitizer. Open! But none of the lotion sprays or body gels have been full size yet, so let's see what this is. Oh, okay, so the next thing we have in here is a full size item. It's not a lotion or a body gel, it is a hand soap. This is actually from White Barn, which personally to me, White Barn is very confusing. I don't really understand like what it is, what its purpose is. For instance, they'll have like a candle, right? Say that there is a Merry Cookie candle. Well, they'll have the same scent, Merry Cookie, in a Bath & Body Works version and a White Barn version. The White Barn version will be like a modern farmhouse looking candle. And then the Bath & Body Works version of Merry Cookie will have like little cookie men dancing in like the snow with like icing going all over them and candy sprinkles. I guess it's just like 2 different appearances of candle. I really don't know what White Barn is. But this is in the scent Merry Cookie. Is there glitter in this? Bath & Body Works, are you the one stealing all the glitter? Or is that just tiny bubbles? It's a foaming hand soap. I do want to give it a oh, it leaked. I'm gonna assume this smells better not in soap form. I am getting a bit of, well, it says the fragrance notes are buttery shortbread, vanilla, bourbon icing, and spun sugar. I'm getting a little bit of that like vanilla and butter scent to it, but it doesn't smell fantastic, honestly. Just like concentrated like that in the soap bottle. Oh, this bottle is made with 100% recycled plastic, so that's really nice. It is currently all over my pants. I wanted to give it another smell and I just literally, like my whole mouth just like enveloped the side of the bottle. There's a lot of Merry Cookie in my mouth right now. Delicious. Okay, moving along here to day number 10. We are getting close to the end of this calendar. We have a candle. Okay, so now we have a candle also in the, well, hold on. Also in the Merry Cookie scent. This one is from Bath & Body Works though, so we have a the soap's gonna be the end of me. Okay, so we have the White Barn version and then we have the Bath & Body Works version. The packaging maybe isn't as like exuberant and over the top as I was saying it would be. This also says it is made with natural essential oils and I'm hoping it smells better than the soap. Oh yeah, okay, that smells much better in candle version than it does in soap version, so I'm happy about that. This is a $15.50 candle. I'm sure this is like an 8-ounce, 9-ounce candle. 7 ounces, $15.50? Wow, that's pretty expensive. Okay. It does smell nice. Again, it is kind of just a standardy vanilla scent, but there is a little bit of that like butteriness to it coming from like the buttery shortbread. I do kind of wish it had a bit more of like a special scent for the holiday season, but I would say this is probably a very safe candle for like a lot of different scent palettes. A lot of people will be perfectly fine burning a vanilla candle, but maybe not so much like a winter candy apple candle. Alrighty, moving on to day number 11. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay, Okay, so the next item we have here is a room fragrance, but this is just in the scent Vanilla Bean. I'm starting, like, a lot of this stuff is just very like vanilla based. I kind of wish we had a little bit, just a little bit more of like a Christmassy holiday scent. But we have just another kind of standard vanilla scent here. This is also from White Barn. It has scents of vanilla, marshmallow, and nutmeg. Actually, the little notes in there do sound kind of holiday themed, but let's go ahead and see what it smells like. If I remember correctly, these shoot out like pretty intensely, so I'm just gonna like back up a bit. I was expecting it to be like psh, and it just went. Okay, maybe it wasn't ready yet. Let's go ahead and that's a little better. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I think this is actually my favorite of all the kind of vanilla-y scents we've had. So we've had a Vanilla Bean Noel, Merry Cookie, and then just Vanilla Bean. This one, there is like a spiciness to it, and I really like that. And even like the marshmallow they're talking about, you can get like a little extra hint of like a sugariness to it as well. I like that. I think that smells really good. I kind of wish the candle smelled like this now instead of the Merry Cookie. Even though Merry Cookie, like the name of it, is more like holiday themed, this smells more holiday to me. Just that little extra spiciness and sweetness. Stay back, Tater. Alrighty, so we just have one day left here in our 12-day advent calendar. I'm wondering what it could be. I'm hoping, again, always for something special. I feel like a candle would have been a good thing to put as the final day, but we already have a candle, so let's go ahead and see what it is. It's a cute little fireplace. That's adorable. Oh, is this another candle? Why does this feel incredibly lightweight? Oh. It is a candle in form. In form, it is a candle. In function, it is not. In function, it's an ornament. So the last thing we have in here is an ornament that looks like a Bath and Body Works candle. Wow. You know, I did ask for more holiday themed things inside of the Bath and Body Works advent calendar, and they gave it to me. What's more Bath and Body Works holiday than a candle-shaped ornament? So this is a 'Tis the Season White Barn scented candle ornament. I personally would have loved to have had a 'Tis the Season White Barn scented candle. I was wondering, I was like, why does this candle feel so lightweight? It has a little scene of Santa and his reindeer flying over the moon, which is, I mean, it's really cute. I just wish it was an actual like functioning candle instead of an ornament, but it was $10.50. But yeah, that is the final day inside of our advent calendar. We have an ornament. Alright, you guys, so really quickly, because Bath & Body Works actually has all the prices stuck to these things, I can go ahead and add up how much all this stuff is worth. It'll probably also help me determine how much I paid for this advent calendar, because if I paid $90 for it and this stuff isn't worth $90, then I'll be a little sad. Okay, so my total value came to $91.90, and things got a little sketchy there for a second as far as the math goes. So I don't know if this is exactly correct, but it definitely was in like the $90, $91 range for how much it was supposed to be worth. So I'm assuming I didn't pay $90 for it, which is good to know. That is very good to know. That makes me quite happy that I didn't pay $90 for this advent calendar, but there is like a total value of $90. I'm assuming I paid $55 is what I found on that one website. I am actually quite happy that the things in here were holiday themed this year. That made so much more sense to me than having just, it was just random stuff last year. Like nothing made sense for Christmas. I do wish there weren't so many vanilla scented items in here, and the final day, I kind of wish it was another candle, to be honest, but I definitely think they have improved from last year, which is good to see. Some advent calendars never improve and they just stay the same forever, Sephora. So it's always nice and encouraging to see some, you know, improvement from year to year. So I think this is fine. I'm happy with this advent calendar. It would be a nice gift for somebody who enjoys Bath and Body Works stuff or just enjoys fragrance stuff, or if you're just really not sure what to get somebody. Say you got like a secret Santa and you're just like, I don't know what this person likes, and they just seem like somebody who would enjoy Bath and Body Works stuff. This could be a nice gift. Now I do know that Bath and Body Works has sales like constantly, so are you really getting a massive deal for these items? There's a very good chance you're not. Are you breaking their bank or anything? I don't think so. I also don't think it is a terrible calendar. So let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions, but before you go, I also would love to share with you another bonus advent calendar unboxing. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!